Morning, everyone. I'm hoping for yet another lovely day today. But before we do, here is your book today, which is Goat in a Boat. I wonder where he is. Look at this lovely castle here. Do you think he's actually in a boat next to a castle? Do we know what that water is called that's next to a castle? It rhymes with goat and boat. Here we go. Our sound today is going to be O, I think. G-O. Goat. G-oat. Goat eats oats. Oats. They make porridge. They all eat oats. Look at them all eating oats. We need a change. Look at the bull. I'll get my boat. B-oat. It's goat. He's dressed up like a knight, isn't he? If I hook a fish or two, cook can cook a fishy stew. Ooh, yummy. I'll go for a row with Stoat. Stoat, thinks goat. Goat. Stoat, come fishing in the moat. Moat. Remember when I said, did you know what it was called if they have water in front of a castle that rhymes with goat? It's called a moat. Moat. And it's water that goes round a castle to protect it from people that are trying to invade it. Stoat's room is bare. There's no one there. I wonder where he's gone. Oh, look. He wrote a note, says goat. So we've got the g-oat sound, but up here, that also sounds like it says O, oat, but it's a different way of spelling it. It's our O with a letter in the middle of it. Goat rows his boat around the moat. B-oat, oat. He sits and gazes at his float. Oh, you see his float? It sings. He blinks. A fish, he thinks. Do you think he's caught a fish? He lifts his rod. That's odd. It clinks. Well, I don't know any fish that clinks. Do you? G-oats. Boat. Goats. B-oat. Fills up. It's quite a squish. I wish this moat was full of fish. Remember, this is our oat. Look at all of that junk that was in the moat. I wonder who put all that there. Lots of different things. Then goat, spots stoat, oat. Hop in, the boat. They hear a noise among the trees. Is it the breeze? The scared friends freeze. An army! Stoat has shaking knees. Oh no, they're going to come and attack. The soldiers march. Left, right, left, right. Look at them. Shout help, yells Goat, with all your might. But poor Stoat has a sore throat. He can't shout out along with Goat. Look out! Get help! An army's near! The castle soldiers do not hear. Then Goat hits on a clever plan. They bash his catch. Clash, clatter, clang. The lookout hears. He gives a cry. The drawbridge rises to the sky. You see, they're pulling up the drawbridge across the moat. The army can't get in. They flee. Goat and Stoat row home for tea. Goat sighs, I have no fish for cook. You do, croaks Stoat. Just take a look. Look, you see where all the fish were hiding? I didn't notice that. Look where all the fish are hiding inside all of the junk. He didn't just have two, did he? He has lots. Look at them all. That's your story for today. And it's Friday today. And next week is half term. So I won't be here for half term. I will see you in a week's time. And have a lovely week off. And I will see you in a week. Bye-bye.